Okay, this is Todd at Whiter Than Snow Appliances, and what we're going to do right now is bump up the pay requirement on this dryer in a laundromat to $1.50. And when I did the washer, it was pretty much, I had to figure it out myself. So I'm going to put this video on just to kind of give you guys an idea how to do it. So it'll be a little moving around the camera and all like that, but I'll try to make it as easy as possible for you to see it and do it yourself. First of all, you got to have this key. Put it in, turn it. Make sure your power's off to it as well, because you're going to be dealing with some wires and various things like that. Next, you have this piece here, little bolt. I'm going to take it loose, 5/16 of an inch. Unscrews. On the front, gonna lift it up and then pull it out. The spring on it's busted, but basically what that'll do is keep it from retracting back. People will just pull it back like that themselves. This one's kind of like the second one I did last night. So you got a Phillips head here, and I'm going to take that off, this piece, and the bottom piece is, I'm going to work on that here now. Let's see, it's perfect there. Probably in order to make sure you put things back in the right place, just kind of set things together in sections. The screws to this, and put it like that, and so that way you can know exactly where it's at. Now these things here, like I guess you can call dummies or whatever. So like if you want to go to 75 cents, you would open this up, put your dummies in, and then it'd be actually 50 cents. So we're going to bump it up to $1.50. So what we'll do is we'll take two of these dummies out here and put these in, which will then enable it to go up 50 cents. Okay, let's see. This piece here, take that off. Another screw right there, take that off. So basically it exposes your dummies and the other slots. So let's see, put this here. Keep in mind that screw goes in the middle. Pull out your one here, the other. Let's see. Those might fall out, so I just turn it over. They might fall out, but then you got 3 screws here. Notice it's offset. So when you got to put it back on, you have to have that hole offset there to line it up. Now another tricky part of this yesterday when I was doing the washer was, see this little screw, little spring there. Unfortunately they have a little cap on it, but the one I worked on yesterday, the spring slipped up over it, and of course then that thing fell off this little space that it was in. So make sure that stays intact. Take these screws out, put them over to the side. I want to get a little thin screwdriver and pop that up. And place that end up. And you'll see that there's this one. This is kind of the tricky part. You can kind of push it from behind to get it started. So you pull that one out. Pull that one out. And you just insert that here. Kind of has a little hook there, so you put it in there and slip it in. Push it in place. Hook goes in this side first and push it in. Cover piece back on. Probably don't want to tighten it down all together yet in case you need to have a little room for that to shift to line the other holes up. Snug it down real good. Don't want to strip it the heads out there. Okay, those stayed in place. Then just take these. You don't want to throw them out in case you want to ever go back down on the price. Put them in like that. Yeah, you can't put that in yet, so you have to slide it in here. Once you slide that in, then you can put that on. A hole in the middle. It's gone a little bit faster today than it did yesterday, because not always first time around is difficult. Put this in. Remember, always just put everything down in the order that it's supposed to go in, back in. Don't want to flip anything over and all like that. It just makes it more confusing. And then put this piece on. And line your holes up there. I'm not going to worry about that spring. Now we basically converted it to $1.50. And you can kind of test run it without putting it in the machine yet. What I did yesterday was just, after I got it converted, put the money in, held the box in my hand, the little slider, pushed it in, and the coins went through and dropped out. That's what you want to do. $1.50. Okay. There you go, $1.50 to dry, load, close. Hopefully that was helpful. And I'll just reverse everything, put it back in. Enjoyed it? Click like, subscribe, and we'll send you some more videos. Watch some of our other videos we got uploaded as well. And this is Todd at Wider Than Snow Appliances, Piedmont, South Carolina. Have a great day.